let me be real with y'all. Hollywood has misled you. Life has misled some of y'all. You think your life is like a painting, like the Mona Lisa, a Picasso. You're looking at your life like a painting, but let me keep this thing real to y'all. Your life is like a puzzle. See, the painting is already one piece together. The puzzle's in pieces. And you're already broken. And you gotta put that piece together. But that's what it was designed for. Life is a puzzle with broken pieces, and the great people are made to put it together. The better the puzzle, the good puzzles. Anybody ever went to a puzzle store? The basic puzzle has only a few pieces. When you're a little kid, they give you a few pieces. And they got the picture on the box. But do y'all know some of the real good puzzles, the one that cost something, the ones the valuable puzzles? They can come in 1,000, 5,000 pieces and don't even give you a damn picture. You gotta figure that whole thing out. You gotta figure out what was supposed to be. I'm looking at that thing like, man, I'm gonna pay more money for the puzzle. I gotta figure out what the heck the creator designed it to be, and you're just gonna drop it 5,000 pieces on me, and I gotta figure this thing out piece by piece and see how it fits together.
Hey, Eric, and when you little, the puzzle pieces are real big.
Yeah, they're big and simple. But the real good puzzles, the valuable ones, they don't come in and they don't give you the instructions. They just give you a box full of puzzles and you got to put it together. But guess what? There's some people who figured it out, and they'll figure it out and put it in a frame and put it on the wall, and it looks like a fabulous painting. Uncle Jock, talk to us, sir.
Ooh, boy, I don't know what got into you this morning. This is great. And look at it like this. Look at the box, the puzzle box, as the opportunity. And all of us opted in to getting this big puzzle box. And there's 3 types of people that got this box. It's the person that gets the box. How many of y'all had somebody sign up and literally the next day they went into witness protection? You get the person that gets the box and don't even open the box. Don't even open it. Then you get the person that opens the box and puts a few pieces in. Then they got to take little Johnny to soccer practice. The boss is bothering, significant other, lifestyle's lifing, and they just leave the opportunity just there, untampered with at a certain point with a few attempts. How many people had those people? Then you get the person that just figures the damn thing out. No matter what, no matter how many levels of difficulty, they stay at it until they figure it out. I just had to share that.
See, here's the thing. Sometimes when you're looking at the puzzle box, when you go to elementary school, you sit at Marcella, they got the little small pieces. And the teacher's there to assist you putting it together. Or maybe your classmates can help you put the small pieces together. And then as you advance through school and education, they stop doing those puzzles. That's like elementary, right? They stop doing those little puzzles. And now, when you get to life, you don't have a coach, a mentor who's able to teach you. It's supposed to be your parents or somebody who's raised you to teach you how to put these puzzles together. We're talking about a puzzle of entrepreneur. It's so many different types of puzzles. So we're talking about business puzzles. Well, here's the deal. Who has coached you to put the business puzzle together? Your education school gave you the baby's pieces. Those are easy to put together. Boom. Now you're required to go on life after you get out of school, whether it's high school or post-secondary school, graduate school. Now you got to go figure this thing out. And they taught you how to put simple puzzles together, maybe for a work career. You've been trained to put this puzzle together, so you got a great work career. Cool, corporate America, whatever it is. Yeah, but now you're talking about entrepreneurship. Who trained you? Some people have been raised and trained to put that damn they've been on track to put the puzzle together. So when they start a business, it doesn't make a difference. You ever notice why some successful people, like a 50 Cent, Jay-Z, guess what? They understood. We came from the streets. I'm just using them as an example. We were street hustlers. We knew how to put business together from the street. We were trained from other people, other hustlers, how to run a business. Y'all call it thugs and drugs. They looked at it as, this is the same, I'm running a business like anybody else is running the business. So I know how to put a business together, so I'm able to put the same business together in other areas of business. I can go into restaurant, I can go into music. I gotta learn a little bit, but it's a puzzle piece, I'm gonna get it. 50 Cent went to music, bam. Guess what? Now he's gone to the TV, bam, I'm figuring that out. Because I know how to put puzzles together in business. See, some of us never had a real, true business coach to put puzzles together. So when you come over here, it looks a little tough. It looks a little different. The pieces ain't the same.
But the principle is.
Yeah, there you go. The pieces are not the same, but the principles are the same. Now you got to say, hey, how long did it take you to put that puzzle together for your career? Oh, you've been doing this for 10 years. Oh, you went to school. They taught you how to put that puzzle together. Now you got a new puzzle and you got to say, hold on, I don't have the picture because they lied to me what the picture looked like. Let's keep this thing real. They lied to you what an entrepreneur looked like. They told me the entrepreneur got to look like Bill Gates, got to look like Warren Buffett, right? They got to have a suit, got to look like Hollywood. Are y'all with me? They lied to you what the puzzle looks like. It don't look like you. So now you got a puzzle and your picture you're trying to put together don't look like the puzzle you got. My friends and family ain't walking around supporting businesses. Yeah, because they wasn't gave the business puzzle. And so you've been lied to because you got different pieces. Of course you do. But doesn't mean your pieces don't come together. Doesn't mean your pieces don't fit. It ain't the same pieces. So once you start to realize, if I can survive this, if I can survive that, if I can put this together, I can put this together. But what happens is some of y'all quit so soon. Some of y'all don't believe in yourself. Why? Because just like the boxer, ladies and gentlemen, there's an outside world that ain't designed to try to make sure you win. They don't give a damn if you win. It ain't their job to make sure you win. And you wasn't coached and trained how to win over here. They wanted to teach you and coach you and train you how to win for their business, how to be a good employee. Oh, they'll teach you and coach you all that, all the kind of, oh my goodness. They'll teach you all the way how to be an employee, how to go work for me, how to spend your money over here. I go back to Biggie Smalls. They put the album out there, Coochie down to the socks. So they teaching you how to dress. Versace. They're teaching you how to spend your money. Oh, they will pour billions of dollars to teach you how to become a good consumer. Where's that same energy and effort to teach you how to become a good producer? What school they got for that? What class they got for that? Oh, they ain't got that class? They ain't teach you that? It's the same puzzle to become a consumer as it is to become a producer. The pieces look different. The pieces maybe fit different. Are y'all with me? But you gotta have the same concept to how to structure it and put it together. And see, what does it take? It takes a coach, a mentor. It takes this village. That's what they say. It takes a village to raise an entrepreneur, y'all. We may not all be millionaires, but dang on it, we can all help each other go up and succeed and get better. Everybody's life is not a doctor. Everybody's life is not an educator. Everybody's life is not an engineer. Everybody's life is not a farmer. Everybody here does not have to have the biggest jumbo business in the world. But guess what? We can all build it as big as we want to once you understand it.